Welcome to the next lecture of body fluids and circulation. And here in this lecture we will discuss about the heart of amphibians. In our previous lecture we had discussed about the heart of fishes, and here is the heart of amphibians. Heart of amphibians. In amphibians, the three-chambered heart is present. Yeah. So, in case of amphibians, which type of heart is there? Here is three-chambered heart. Now, what are the names of these chambers? Out of these three chambers are the primary chambers. 2 auricles and 1 ventricle. Clear? So this is three-chambered heart. 2 auricles are there and 1 ventricle is there. These are the primary chambers, or we can say that the true chambers. And the accessory chambers are also there. So what are the accessory chambers? Here the accessory chambers, sinus venosus is as it is. So first accessory chamber is sinus venosus, and second is conus arteriosus. It merges with aorta. Clear? What will happen here? Conus arteriosus is merges with aorta and it forms truncus arteriosus. So here is the second chamber, which is called as truncus arteriosus. So sinus venosus and truncus arteriosus, both of these are the accessory chambers in case of heart of amphibians, and 2 auricles and 1 ventricle is there. Now we have to discuss the structure of heart of amphibians with the help of a diagram. So here I am drawing a diagram. 2 chambers, that is, here is the 1 chamber. This is the first auricle. Here is the second auricle. This is the second auricle. Clear? Now 1 ventricle is there. So here is the 1 ventricle. This is the ventricle. Now this is the wall of auricle. This is the wall of ventricle. Again here the wall of auricle is there. Okay, so here is the wall of auricle. Here is this wall. So the above 2 chambers are auricles. So this is left auricle and this is right auricle. And this one is the ventricle. Now where is sinus venosus and truncus arteriosus? Sinus venosus is as it is connected with the auricle. So here is sinus venosus. This is sinus venosus. Sinus venosus. And where is truncus arteriosus? Here is the truncus arteriosus. This is truncus arteriosus. Clear? So this is truncus arteriosus. And it is formed by the merging of conus arteriosus and aorta. Both of these merges and forms truncus arteriosus. Now, how the circulation of blood is going to take place? The right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from sinus venosus. Here, so here the deoxygenated blood is coming. This is the deoxygenated blood. So, right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from sinus venosus, and after that this deoxygenated blood comes in the ventricle. Here, left auricle receives oxygenated blood from the lungs. Okay, so this blood is oxygenated, which comes in the left auricle through lungs. Okay? In ventricles, both in ventricle, both of the blood is getting mixed here. Deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood. Both of the types of blood is getting mixed here, and the blood and the heart in which the mixed blood is going to be transported or is going to be pumped is called as arteriovenous heart. This type of heart is called as arteriovenous heart, because this type of heart is going to pump the mixed blood, and this blood goes from truncus arteriosus to the body tissues. Clear? So this is the type of heart in case of amphibians. The three-chambered heart is there. One more thing, the circulation is double circulation. Now, what is double circulation? Double circulation means the type of circulation in which blood comes twice in heart before going to the body tissues. Clear? So, which type of circulation is? This is double circulation, and double circulation means double circulation is there. Double circulation means blood goes or blood comes twice in heart before going to the going to the body tissues. So before pumped into the body tissues. So this type of circulation is called as double circulation, and in case of amphibians, double circulation is present. Clear? So this is all about the heart of amphibians, in which the three-chambered heart is there. Right auricle receives deoxygenated blood from the sinus venosus. Left auricle receives oxygenated blood from lungs. In ventricles, both of the type of blood is getting mixed, and this mixed blood is transported into the body tissues through truncus arteriosus. Clear? So here 2 times the blood is coming in the heart before going to the body tissues. That's why it is called as double circulation. Clear? So this is all about the heart of amphibians. In our next section, we will discuss about the heart of reptiles. Thank you very much.